Good morning, dear students. Now let us start our new exercise 8.2. Reduce the fraction to their lowest term. Now, the lowest term means you have to make a fraction like that which numerator and denominator they are not related to which any digit, any same table. Not understand? Look this example here I am explaining to you 15 and 36. First of all, you have to find a factor of 15, and here you can find the factor of 36. Factor of 15, this 15 is coming in one table also. How many time? 15 time. Okay. And 2 टेबल नहीं आता, 3 की टेबल में आता है. हाउ मेनी टाइम? 5 टाइम. सो राइट लाइक दैट. 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता, 5 की टेबल में आता है 3 टाइम्स. सो दैट इज़ अ रिपीट. ओनली दिस मच फैक्टर्स आर देयर. Now for 36, in one table 36 is coming 36 time, in two table it is coming 18 time, 3 table 12 time, 4 table 9 time, and 5 table नहीं आता, 6 की table में आता है 6 time. Now the repetition is started. 6 into 6 आ गया. Now the leave it. It means these are the factor of this 36. Okay. Now see the common one factor in between of them. What is the common? If you will look, 3 is the common in between of them. So this one is your HCF. HCF of 15 and 36. 3 is the common. So now the next step, you have to divide in both of them by 3. Now the question is, how can you divide it? Make a rough column, and here you have to divide it with this 3. In 3 table 15 is coming completely 5 time. Now 36, 1, next number take down 6, it is coming 12 time. So this divide is gone how many time? 5 time, and this divide is gone 12 time. Now there the number is coming in any table, both the number in the same table it will come. If it is coming, then we have to make again lowest term. Okay, we want to that number which they are which numerator and denominator that not coming in one table, same number में नहीं आना चाहिए. यहाँ दोनों ही same number की table में आ रहे थे, that's why we have to make in lowest term. अगर ये भी आते तो then we have to divide with the same number. Understand now how can you do this type of the question? The 15 upon 36 lowest term is 5 upon 12. Now next question, 4 upon 32. Same the process we have to do. Factor of 4. 1 की टेबल में 4 टाइम आता है, 2 की टेबल में 2 टाइम. So that repetition is started. Now these are the factor. Now factor of 32. क्या हो जाएगा फैक्टर ऑफ 32? 1 की टेबल में 32 टाइम, 2 की टेबल में 16 टाइम, 3 टेबल नहीं आता, 4 की टेबल में आता है 8 टाइम, 5 की टेबल में नहीं आता, 6 की टेबल में नॉट कमिंग, 7 नॉट, 8 कमिंग, यस 4 टाइम. नाउ द रिपीटेशन इज स्टार्टेड. Now we have to find the HCF. The main purpose of for this finding a factor, finding a HCF. That is 2. 2 is the common factor in between of them. Now we have to divide by 2 both the number. In when you have to divide 4 into 2, this divide is gone completely 2 time. Now 32. Wait. Before I am taking this 2, once you look, this 4 is also common number. So we have to find the greatest common factor. No, we are not taking 2. Greatest we have to find. 2 भी कॉमन है, 1 भी कॉमन है, बट अपन को ग्रेटेस्ट चाहिए. तो वी हैव टू मार्क 4 1. दैट इज़ अ रॉन्ग बेटा. 2 नहीं आएगा कॉमन में. 4 वी हैव टू टेक ए 4. सो जस्ट करेक्ट इट. 4 से डिवाइड लगाएंगे अब अपन इसमें. 4 से डिवाइड लगाएंगे तो 4 की टेबल में 4 कितनी बार आता है 1 टाइम एंड 4 की टेबल में 32 8 टाइम. सो द लोएस्ट टर्म इज 1/8. Now understand how can we do this type of the questions. See 8/90 है. Making a first taking HCF factor of 8 क्या हो जाएगा 1 8 2 की टेबल में 4 टाइम आता है. फैक्टर ऑफ 90 1 90 2 की टेबल में 45 टाइम. 3 की टेबल में 39 एंड सो ऑन इज देयर. 4 की टेबल में आता है ये. 4 की टेबल में वंस यू डिवाइड इट नो इट इज़ नॉट कमिंग इन 4 टेबल. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू लीव इट हियर बिकॉज एंड ज़्यादा 8 की टेबल में भी नहीं आता 4 की टेबल में भी नहीं आता है. बिकॉज वी वांट टू द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. अगर इन 1 में नहीं आ रहा 8 में भी नहीं आता है 2 में आता है. कितनी बार आता है 45 टाइम आता है और 4 की टेबल में नहीं आता. तो वी वांट टू द कॉमन फैक्टर ना. तो बस अपन को एक पता चल गया. आगे निकालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. अपना पर्पस है केवल एक कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना. दैट इज़ द पर्पस ऑफ अस. HCF of 8 and 90 is 2. So divide this both of the fraction by 2. If you will divide it by 2 in 8 then you will get here 4 and here 45. This is the lowest term. Understand now how can you do this type of the questions. Now D1 10 and 45. This one more question I am explaining to you. 10 and 45. These are the common in 5 table. If you can see these are the number in common in 5 table then you can divide it directly. If you know the common factor we can find out easily by see the digit. If they are even number so you have to divide by this 2. If they are having 0 and 5 in a ones place so definitely these are the number divisible by 5. So same number it should be there in numerator and denominator and divide, then after you will get a lowest term. In 5 table 2 time and that 9. Now they are not coming in one same table, so these are the lowest term. Now you have to do itself these questions E, F, G and H. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye bye.